What's up, guys? So I'm here on the hike up to Table Mountain. Pretty stunning, I didn't say so myself. And so I took an Uber here, and now we're hiking up. I was originally going to take the cable car up, but the Uber driver was like, no, you have to hike up, it's too beautiful, and it's supposedly not going to take too long, so. Well, guys, still hiking. Took my shirt off because it's getting a little warm. The views are sweet, very sweet. 20 minutes in, so I'll keep you guys posted. The stairs are still going. And the views are still popping. Or cavern. Alright, boys, we have made it to the top. Look at this view. Crazy. A lot of people up here.
South Africa. Are we together, guys? My friend, are you still with me? And then down here, guys.
Currently sitting on a bit of a school squad, learning about Nelson Mandela. So I'd say it's a pretty win for me. Alright, on a drone mission here. Just cliffs everywhere. It's kind of paradise, you know? So I came to Africa. Big part of it was to see stuff like this. This is pretty amazing. It kind of brings me back to flying the flight simulator back at my house. Microsoft Flight Simulator is really cool. You can like actually see the world. Kind of, it's all mapped out. So I've been flying around Cape Town especially, exploring these places. Obviously it's a lot more impressive in real life, but to kind of already know generally where stuff is cool. When you get there, you can be like, oh, I recognize that. No, I kind of know where I am. Obviously I have no idea where I am, but I have a slight idea. But a bigger reason I came to Africa was to visit my friend Kirst that couldn't make it back to America because of visa problems. And Kirsty's a special girl, let me tell you. She's such a joy about her. That's amazing to be around, and a heart that's so wanting and does amazing things, even at the expense of her own comfort, in a sense. But we're just really good friends at the moment, exploring the beauty of this world, trying to help as many people along the way as we can. So it's cool. It's really cool. I wouldn't have it any other way, really. So let's see if we can get this thing in the air without getting spotted or sniped. This place is so crazy. This is where we were this morning, on top of that mountain. Wow. This is called Waterfront, Cape Town. It's kind of by the dock where you see a lot of the big ships and stuff. And I just got a hot dog and a smoothie. And I've been hearing a lot of helicopters. So I'm gonna go see where they're taking off, and maybe I can hop on one and fly around a little bit, which would be freaking rad because I've never been on a helicopter. So, see how that goes. Alright, so the only flights they had were at 3 o'clock, and I wanted to do it sooner. So, they offer private flights, obviously for a lot more money because you get the helicopter yourself. But I have some awesome friends down here in South Africa, friends of Kirst that I've met. Sadly, Kirst can't make it. She's working and helping out the people. Alright guys, so we got a few minutes till helicopter tour. We found a stranger to take with us. Hi guys, what's your name?
Musa, my name is
Musa.
Musa.
Awesome.
Nice to meet you guys.
So we'll see how this goes. It should be fun.
Be excited.
First flight ever.
It was great, man. It was great. I felt nervous at first, but eventually the nerves went away. I'm probably sure, like, just before I sleep today, I'll feel all the nerves again. My bed is gonna feel so much. We're gonna spin. Yeah.
Well, helicopter journey's over. Now we're headed back home.
Super cool.
My favorite part was taking a random stranger along, honestly.
Yeah. And,
It was his first time in anything that was flying, which is crazy.
yeah.
So,
It
Glad we
was
could
such
get
an
that.
experience for him.
yeah. So if there's ever an empty space in anything you do, see if you can find someone to come along.